Alright, hi again. Today I'm gonna talk about mindfulness breathing, which is good for relaxation, calmness, and serenity. So I'm gonna just share with you some instructions that you have to follow, and we can see how it goes. Alright. Okay. Slowly close your eyes and put your hands where you feel comfortable. Feel the weight of your body on the chair. Find a comfortable posture by leaning forward and then lean backward, then lean to the left, then to the right. Feel your head on top of your neck. Then slowly through your nose, take a deep breath and release it through your mouth. And again, slowly through your nose, take a deep breath, release it through your mouth, and feel how your breath rushes through your entire body. And observe your breath from your head to your shoulder, to your chest, to your stomach, your butt, your thigh, your legs, and your feet. Gently move your toes. And slowly open your eyes. So yes, that's basically it. We can do this, repeatedly if we so wish. But yeah, that's it.
Very nice, Avni.
Very nice. It was, if I'm not wrong, it was body scan.
Body scan. Okay. Yeah. More or less the same. Yeah.
We pay attention to different parts of our body.
Yeah. Awesome.